The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, east central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pisgah, or 13 miles east of Scottsboro, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Henniker, Stevenson, Hollywood, Hyder, Pisgah, Valley Head, Hammondville, Sulphur Springs, and Martintown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama,